How to reset a Samsung TV remote. There are a number of reasons why your Samsung TV remote might stop working properly. Sometimes buttons become unresponsive. The remote may lag or delay when you press commands, or it might stop communicating with the TV altogether. These issues can often be caused by low batteries, signal interference, firmware glitches, or a broken Bluetooth pairing between the remote and the TV. Before jumping into more advanced troubleshooting, a simple reset of the remote is often all it takes to get things working again. The process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Samsung has released several types of remotes over the years, so it helps to know which one you're working with. The Samsung Smart Remote, also known as the One Remote, is the slim, minimalist remote that comes with most modern Samsung Smart TVs. It connects to the TV via Bluetooth and infrared. Older Samsung TVs may have come with a standard infrared remote, which is the more traditional style with a full number pad and plenty of buttons. The reset process differs slightly depending on which type you have, so take a moment to identify your model before proceeding. The quickest and most common way to reset your Samsung Smart Remote is by performing a soft reset. Start by removing the batteries from the back of the remote. Once the batteries are out, press and hold the power button on the remote for approximately 8 to 10 seconds. This drains any residual power left in the remote and clears temporary glitches in its memory. After holding the button, release it and reinsert the batteries, making sure they are fresh or fully charged if you're using rechargeable ones. Point the remote at the TV and press the power button to see if it responds. In most cases, this simple step resolves the majority of remote issues. If the soft reset didn't fix the problem, you can try a more thorough hard reset. Remove the batteries from the remote and then press and hold both the return button and the play pause button at the same time for approximately 8 to 10 seconds. Some Samsung remote models may require you to hold the back button and the enter button instead, depending on the layout. After holding the buttons, release them and put the batteries back in. The remote should now be fully reset and ready to be repaired with your TV. Turn the TV on manually using the power button on the TV itself, then point the remote directly at the TV from a close distance and press any button to initiate the pairing process. After a hard reset, your Samsung Smart Remote will need to reconnect to the TV via Bluetooth. To do this, make sure your TV is switched on and then point the remote directly at the TV's infrared sensor, which is usually located at the bottom center of the screen. Press and hold the return button and the play pause button simultaneously for about 3 to 5 seconds. You should see a message appear on the TV screen confirming that the remote is pairing or has been successfully connected. If the pairing doesn't work on the first try, move closer to the TV and try again, making sure there are no obstructions between the remote and the screen. If you have an older Samsung remote that uses only infrared and doesn't have Bluetooth, the reset process is even simpler. Remove the batteries and press every button on the remote at least once. This helps discharge any remaining power stored in the buttons and circuitry. After pressing all the buttons, wait for about 1 to 2 minutes, then reinsert fresh batteries. Point the remote at the TV and test it by pressing the power button. Since infrared remotes don't require pairing, they should start working again immediately, as long as the batteries are good and the infrared sensor on the TV is unobstructed. It might sound obvious, but a large number of remote issues come down to weak or dead batteries. If your remote is still not responding after a reset, try replacing the batteries with a brand new set. For the Samsung Smart Remote, use 2 AA batteries, or if your model has a built-in rechargeable battery, connect it to a USB-C cable and charge it for at least 30 minutes before testing again. Always make sure the batteries are inserted in the correct orientation, matching the positive and negative markings inside the battery compartment. Mixing old and new batteries or using different brands together can also cause inconsistent performance. If you've tried both the soft and hard reset and the remote is still unresponsive, there are a few more things you can check. First, make sure there's nothing blocking the signal between the remote and the TV, such as furniture, soundbars, or other electronics. Try standing directly in front of the TV at a close range and pressing a button. You can also test whether the infrared signal is working by pointing the remote at your phone's front-facing camera and pressing a button if you see a faint light flash on the camera screen. the infrared is functioning. If nothing works, try resetting the TV itself by unplugging it from the wall for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. As a last resort, you may need to purchase a replacement remote or contact Samsung support for further assistance.